Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can style the Acubi fashions outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to serve fashion for what Acubi looks in DTI, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can style the trendy Acubi outfits to make your avatar stand out in the competitions. So in here, I'm going to show you the Acubi inspired outfit combos. So first, I'm going to add this pants right here, the one at the left. Okay, this one, and I'm going to change the color to black, and for the flower, I'm going to change it into white, like this. Next, move to the next item is I'm going to put this hand warmer, and again I'm going to change the color into black, and I'm going to put this headphone on, and I'm going to change the color into black and white. So this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to put on the top. I'm going to use this corset right here, and again I'm going to change the color into only black and white. This one's right here. Okay, like this. Okay, so I think here is the final look, and now let's put on the shoe. Okay, so this is the final look for the Acubi outfits. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can follow these easy styling hacks to step up your DTI game. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!